this is what I thought was the easiest way to strum through this song for a beginner. So you just throw a capo on your first fret, and we're going to start with sort of an octave run. Now, octaves they're pretty easy chords to play, but if you don't want to play them, you could just hang out on the G chord. So I'll show you both ways. I'll show you an easy way and an easier way. So we got third fret. We're going to start out on third fret of the D. So your index finger is going to set down third fret of the D chord from the capo, and then your pinky, what would that be? Sixth fret of the B string. So that gives you an octave chord. So when you strum that, if you kind of strum from the D string and strum across the G, but you're kind of muting out the G with the bottom of your index finger, it should give you an octave sound. The same note, an octave apart. So you're going to play that, and you're going to slide it down a second fret, play it again. Then you're going to come and do an octave chord way up here. So now we're at 5th fret, index finger 5th fret of the A, ring finger 7th fret of the D. So now we're the next string down. We're on the A string now. And when you strum this one, you got to strum down, come down to 2nd fret, and strum up real quick. So you got, all right. Right after that, you're going to go to an octave chord on 3rd fret of the low E. So your index finger sets here, 3rd fret of the low E, ring finger, what is that, 5th fret of the D. I'm kind of doing the math because the capo's on 1, so it's just 1 fret off. So we got 3rd fret on the E, 5th fret on the D. Okay, so that's an octave chord there. So you're going to walk all the way down to this chord. So you go, then you're going to do it again with a slightly different rhythm. So we've got, now the last time, do like a little walk up. So you're going to go, you're getting all the way to that 4th chord, 4th octave chord, then you're going to go, so you're going 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and again to your 3rd fret of low E string. So all that real slow. And it repeats. All right, so that gets us to the chords. Now, again, if you don't want to play all that octave stuff, I would say just hang on a G chord. All right, so just set your middle finger down on the 3rd fret of the low E, ring finger 3rd fret of the B, pinky 3rd fret of the high E, and mute out the A with the bottom of your middle finger if you can. And the strum pattern I would use would be something like, so what that is, slow down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. All right. And that would be easy for you to sing along with if you wanted to just actually sing the song rather than play the octave notes. So you got, now that would get you through all that melody line. So now we're going to get into the chord strumming. So here's what I had for that. that's what it does throughout the song, is you're going from a C major 7 to a D to an E minor. So the C major 7 is pretty easy. You're going to set your index finger 3rd fret of the A, ring finger 5th fret of the D, and then your middle finger on 4th fret of the G. And you strum, focus your strum from the A string down, and let the B and the high E ring open. And we're going to use that same strum pattern that I was talking about earlier for the G chord. So you've got, so you're going down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Then you're going to go to a D2. So index finger 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the B. And this one you can kind of strum from the A string down through the high E. Maybe mute out the low E with your thumb if you want. So you're going. So on that D2, down, 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 up. Very simple. Down, 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 up. Same thing for the E minor. Jump your index finger up to 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D, down, 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 up. Alright, so you got down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So you get that up to speed. So you can do a little pause there. So that would kind of be the feel. So all this together. So if you want, just strum along on the G while I play the little melody thing. So I'll try playing through the melody again, going into the, I guess you could call that pre-chorus. So let's go for it. A little slower. Again. Pre-chorus. And stop. Chorus. So after that chorus, you'll go back to the G chord, and you could again do that same strum pattern. If you're singing it, or go back to the riff. Go back to your riff again there. So that's just an easy way, I think, to strum through this. There's not too many deviations from those chords. These chords even work on the bridge later on. For the raps. Alright, so if this lesson was helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe button on the way out, and I will see you on the next video.